Alrighty, hello there everyone. My name is Eleazar Pringle. This is my Let's Play video. Today we're playing Sonic the Hedgehog Emerald Power. Developers are Sega, pretty obvious. Oh wow, I haven't seen this screen before. Yeah, this is like my 13th take. I'm horrible at the game. Anyways, you'll be able to see that later on. As for the designers, we have Yuji Naka, Naoto Oshima, Hirokazu Yashira, and Reiko Kodama. And let's get right into it. Let's see what this game has to offer, right? So enter starts the game up, and you move with the right and left arrow keys, and X, C, and Z does this little jump, and he turns the ball. The objective is, I guess, just to get to the very end of the game, or the end of the level per se. Oh, nice. And you defeat enemies by jumping on top of them while you're in this ball. You get hit by an enemy, you lose the rings. I'm not sure the purpose of the rings. I'm guessing, the overall objective is to finish it in as quick as possible with the most rings. So, let's see. Let's try our best here. I'm horrible at this game, by the way. Alrighty. So when you die, you start right back at the beginning. And I believe you have 3 total lives. Once that's gone, you get game over and you restart the entire game. So let's see how far we can get this time without dying. I promise I'm good at video games. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. Not again. You're killing me. You're killing me. Overall, I do think I could say that I do enjoy the game. Oh wait, invincibility, nice. So yeah, this is very reminiscent of Mario. That's the only most similar game I could compare it to. But I'm sure there are many games like this. 2D side scrollers. Mario just had the blueprint. And every game at that time, you had to be Mario. Or I also like the overall background and everything. The graphics are actually pretty nice. The soundtrack as well is phenomenal. I love it. It reminds me of a lot of, I don't know if anyone else played this on the Game Boy. Nice, we beat the level on the Game Boy, but there was a game called Mega Man. Mega Man Falls, Cybeast Falzer, and Cybeast Gregor. And the music reminds me a lot of that. I'm not sure if it was the same producers, but the music is a bit reminiscent. Let's see. I think I have to gain momentum. Okay, nice. That makes sense. You got to gain a bit of momentum to get up the hill. Awesome, awesome. Oh man, I promise I'm good at video games. No, look at my score. I'm sure anyone here could beat that. Overall, though, while I might be bad at the game, I can definitely see the appeal. It's not boring for sure. It's a good time killer. If they remastered it and put it on like the phone, like a mobile game, I think it'll do well. Or they probably have a couple out there. I think there was one that gained a bit more, had a lot of popularity when I was in high school, actually. But yeah, cool game. Definitely see the appeal. I could see myself playing this all night at the time it came out. If I wasn't already playing Pokemon and Mega Man. Alright, let's try to get to the end here, then we'll wrap up the video. Oh, that's so cool. Nice. Oh wow. Oh wow. So if you get on the top, hmm. Alrighty, we're gonna leave it there. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I hope you're at least a little bit entertained. And thanks for watching. Don't go too hard on me in the peer reviews, please. All right, I'm out. Thank you.